This year, two major legal cases rocked Thailand, drawing national and international attention and raising questions about justice, accountability, and consumer protection. The Icon Group scandal and the conclusion of the Tak Bai massacre case. The Icon Group scandal erupted in October, unraveling as Thailand's largest ever pyramid scheme, or, as some argue, a widely successful e-commerce company gone rogue. Over 5,000 complaints were filed, with victims claiming losses exceeding a combined 1.6 billion baht, though investigators estimate the damages may go well beyond 10 billion. At the center of it all is Waratporn Waratwarakul, also known as Boss Paul, the founder and CEO, and 17 other executives, including 3 well-known Thai celebrities. They promised passive incomes and luxurious rewards to investors who paid amounts ranging from 2,500 to 250,000 baht, ostensibly to sell the company's products. What sounded like an opportunity to get rich turned into a nightmare for many as the scheme collapsed under allegations of fraud, bribery, and money laundering. Authorities moved swiftly, issuing arrest warrants, freezing assets worth over 1 billion baht, and classifying the operation as an illegal pyramid scheme. The Department of Special Investigation has filed charges and trials are expected to begin in 2025. For the victims, there is, however, some hope for compensation as investigations continue. October also marked a somber anniversary, 20 years since the Tak Bai massacre, in which 85 protesters lost their lives in a crackdown in Narathiwat province. The tragedy included 78 deaths from suffocation, as detainees were stacked on top of each other in army trucks for a 5-hour journey. This year, justice was dealt a severe blow. The statute of limitations expired, forcing the dropping of charges against 14 state officials accused of murder and unlawful detention. Despite international and domestic pressure, including calls from the UN and civil society groups, the suspects evaded accountability, with some reportedly fleeing abroad.
ในวันนี้เนี่ยก็รู้สึกเสียใจกับเหตุการณ์ที่เกิดขึ้นนะคะเป็นอย่าง
Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra apologized to the victims' families, but stopped short of extending the statute of limitations, citing constitutional constraints. For many, this incident remains a stark reminder of the impunity of the rich and powerful that has long plagued Thailand's deep south. From a high-profile fraud case exposing weaknesses in consumer protection to a tragic failure of justice following a decades-old massacre, these two cases starkly represent the ongoing challenges for Thailand. While the Icon Group scandal signals some progress in tackling financial crime, the Tak Bai case underscores the need for systemic reforms to prevent history from repeating itself. Gitipat Chun Sukjit, reporting for Thai PBS World.